everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ING mobile banking application on your Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your ING banking application but you are not being able to do so, then here are some few easy steps you could follow. The first thing to do is to make sure that your mobile device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are connected, the next thing to do is to check if you've got an available update for the application. Go and tap open your Play Store and in the search box, type in ING mobile and search. If there is an update available for your application, you'll be able to see the update button popping up right on this page. If you see an update button, give it a tap and update to the latest version of the application. Once you are done, the next thing to do is to check if your Android device software is updated to the latest version or not. Go and tap open the Settings app from your Android device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on the Download and Install button from this page and check for available update for your Android device. If there is an update available, update to the latest software, and once you are done, go and tap open your ING mobile banking application and try logging into your account to see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't help, the next thing to do is to restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and from the menu, tap on Restart. Once you reboot your system, go back to the app drawer and open up the ING mobile banking app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to log in to your ING mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.